Hello everyone. Let's talk about Golan Heights today. It's a place of great significance and a focal point of Middle Eastern geopolitics. এই rocky plateauটো কমেও 1200 বর্গ কিলোমিটাৰলৈ প্ৰসাৰিত আছে. It lies between Israel and Syria. During the Six-Day War in 1967, Israel captured it from Syria. That completely changed the power dynamics of Middle East. Though UN never recognized this move, UN through its resolution 497 declared this move as null and void. For Syria, Golan Heights represents a lost territory, painful reminder of their conflict. Today, Golan Heights stands as a symbol of unresolved conflict with a future of lots of uncertainties.